everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Live. Today it's the Tonic Studio Craft Kit for the month of November. I'm so excited. Okay, so this kit is always packed full of all sorts of goodies. So not only do you get stamps and dies, but you also get various products from the Tonic Studio Nouveau line, which makes me very, very happy. It's probably my favorite part of the kit. So let's start with the paper. So I also really love their paper. They have a lot of specialty paper in here, so it's not just plain ordinary cardstock, which I really appreciate. So we have in here, so they tell us we have Mirror Card Rose Platinum. So I think that's this one right here. So it's very, very shiny. And it's got like a rosy pink kind of color on the to the mirror. We have it says pearlescent card glazed chestnut. I wonder if that's this one. It has a pearlescent sheen to it, and I don't know if you can see, but it's got some florals. You see that? Looks like some sort of rose in there. So I'm hoping maybe that's it. No, that's ivory toile. That's ivory toile. Maybe this is the pearlescent card glazed chestnut. I think that's this one. Very nice. Specialty paper, soft leather jacket. So I'm going to guess that's this one. And it is textured. Kind of has a leather look to it. That's quite nice. Blush Heartbeat, that's this one. It's this really soft pink, and it's embossed with hearts. The back side is white. It's very, very pretty. Specialty cardstock, Cinnamon Silk. I think that's this one. It's got like a silk texture to it. And it is this yummy brown, I guess, cinnamon color. And then we have brown craft card, so that would be this one. Just your normal craft cardstock. It is two different, slightly different on the back side. We got texture card in ivory, white, and a texture card in espresso brown. Okay. So that is the cardstock for this kit. Okay, so let's look at the book, at the die set and the stamp set. So they always come in one of these folders. I repackage them just to be consistent with the rest of my packaging. But by all means, you can use this as a storage. So it says that it's a Memento book die set and a Memento stamp set. So you get 15 dies and 5 stamps. And I think the idea behind this is that it creates like a mini album, or you can use it to create a mini album. So the stamp set, some good size. It just says, "And so our adventure begins." So that would look really cute in front of a mini book, especially for something like a travel. A time to treasure. So maybe if you're doing like a kit of a loved one, or not a kit, a book of a loved one or something, that would be quite nice. This circle says, "A perfect memory of love and friendship, never forgotten." And then, "True friendship lasts forever and our family story begins." So that's quite nice. I like that. And then, like I said, you get, you always get a little sticker. And then you get the dies. So my understanding is that you can use these to create memory books, and I'm not exactly sure how this all aligns exactly, but we do have this very large frame piece that has, oh no, it's just a frame. I thought maybe it cut out these holes, but it doesn't. What you can do is this piece here I see now. this piece here will slide in here like this. So you can cut this in one, well, in one shot, I guess. And so this will form the holes for your memory album, and then this will be the cover. Or you can make the pages of your book with that. Then you get a stitched rectangle, but it's got angled corners on it. There is, let me flip this over the other way. No, you can't read it from there. It says, remember when, and it's got like a scrolly font on it. And then you have this corner. So I think the idea behind this is that you can use this as in the corner of your pages to then just slide in photos. So you don't need to have any tape to mount your photos into your book. You can just do these little photo corners. And you get another photo corner here as well. So that's kind of cool. And then on this side, you get a longer rectangle. Again, so you could use it for matting, or can you use this to make pages? Yeah, so this will fit in here as well. So if you want to do some insert pages of different sizes, that will fit. So that's cool. This word says, what does it say? Reminisce. And we get some tabs, so you can make tab folders. This is another photo corner thing. It'll just cut the slot in, so you can slide in your photos. It looks like an embellishment piece. This would be an embellishment piece. This would be a photo corner, it looks like. So lots of pieces. Now you don't have to use this to make an album. So for instance, even this little sheet, or not sheet, this frame here, you could use to make a card, or just a layering piece on a scrapbook page. By removing the holes, it gives you much more flexibility. So I'm really excited to use this. I think this will be a lot of fun. Maybe I can use it in my December daily. Something to think about. Okay, so that's that. And then we get a bunch of goodies. So we get some rings to put our little albums together. So that's kind of fun. We get, this looks like it's a full size of the new expanding mousse. So it says add a texture distress 3D effect using a heat tool. So unlike their regular mousse, when you apply this and use a heat gun to heat it up, it's going to expand and give a lot of different texture. The color that we get in the kit is hammered copper. So that's cool. Oh, and we get more rings. So we've got the copper finish as well as this brassy finish. So that's really cool. Like that. We get one of their ink pads. This is Acorn Brown. It is a hybrid ink pad. Okay. We also get a glitter marker in Strawberry Bonbon. So it's a pink glitter. Let's see that. We get some of their mica flakes in copper, I think. Yeah, mini gilding flakes they call it, in sun-kissed copper. I should tell you guys, I don't know if you've ever used the gilding flakes, but these expand and they go everywhere. So I highly recommend when you're going to open this to have some sort of container that will collect any bits and pieces. It tends to expand, and it's also very lightweight, so don't have a fan on or anything because it'll blow everywhere. When you apply this, just make sure that you collect all the little bits and pieces, because you can use them over and over again until they're used up. Okay, so this is chestnut brown glitter, and it's interesting. It's got like there's like a red in there. It's not just a pure brown, or maybe it's a brown, but the way the light is reflecting, it almost looks like it's got a little bit of red in there. That's very pretty. We get, of course, a Tonic Crystal Drop. This is Bubblegum Blush. Okay. And then the last product we get are, this is Chestnut Brown Flakes. So it's like another type of glitter, I guess you could say, but it's more like confetti pieces. So they're rectangular pieces as opposed to like really, really fine dust. Huh. oh, that'll be fun. This would probably work okay in like a shaker card, but I'm sure you can attach it just with like double-sided tape as well. Okay, so that is the kit for this month. I'm really excited to use this. Like I said, maybe I can incorporate some of this into my December daily. If you're interested to see if that's what ends up happening, be sure to click on the subscribe button as well as the notification button so you know when I post new videos. And I hope you found this interesting. All the details for the Tonic Studio kit can be found on their website. If you are in the US, go to Tonic Studios USA. Anywhere else in the world, I believe they would like you to go to their UK site and order from there. So this is the Tonic Craft Kit for November 2018. Thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, happy crafting.